Good morning, my dear students. Today we are revising our poem My Mother at 66. What is the name of the poet of the poem My Mother at 66? Kamala Das. What's name? Kamala Das. Yes, aging is in this poem, just I want to tell you that aging is a natural process. एजिंग अवस्था, आदमी के जीवन की अवस्था एक प्राकृतिक प्रक्रिया है. एज इट ग्रोज डे बाय डे. द सेम इज ट्रू about children's affection and concern for the elders. Concern, चिंता. The things which we are having, यानी चिंताएं जो हम अपने एल्डर्स की रख रहे हैं, हम उनके बारे में सोच रहे हैं. We are thinking about them. This poem tells a parting, main thing. The sensitive poetess chooses the moment of parting to reveal how painful the parting from her aged mother can be. कितनी दर्द भरी विदाई थी उसकी माँ की. Where she is leaving for some distant destination, she drives along with her mother to the airport. As I have told this, she drives along with her mother to the airport. The elderly lady is not quite healthy too. She is only 66. What is the age? 66. She looks sickly and pale. पीलापन, बीमार. Sickness, बीमार. The daughter has a nagging fear that mother would not live long enough to receive her on her next visit. She knows that her end is near. And she had to die. And she knows this, that we all have to die one day. It is fact. She sees the young trees, and in another stanza, what happens? She sees the young trees and little children running merrily. Merrily means happily. प्रसन्नता पूर्वक बच्चे उनके घरों से बाहर आ रहे थे. Spelling children. The poem written beautifully for this purpose, that how we are taking parting. What is the importance of parting? What are the thinking inside a man when he is facing to this thing? The poet is traveling from her parents' home towards Cochin airport with her elderly mother sitting in the car beside her. She observes how her mother is pale and lifeless like a corpse. उसका शरीर एक लाश के समान प्रतीत होता था. Corpse. She remembers how even as a child she was always afraid of being separated. Yes, and in the third stanza, the poet has now completed the security check at Cochin airport and turns around to bid her mother farewell. She also wants to reassure herself of her mother's presence. She is disheartened about her mother's death. Yes, but hides her distress and concern behind the words "you soon, Amma," and smile. Like this is the poem. there will be MCQ also in your exam. Then you can make in yourself language. What is the name of the poet of this poem? Then Kamala Das. What is her work known for? So for their originality, versatility and flavor of the same. What is the kind of pain and ache that the poet feels? Losing her mother, because she was having great concern to lose her mother. Okay. In which language, one more question, in which language has Kamala Das written stories and novels? So English and Malayalam. This is the correct answer. Yes, what is the name of the poet? Kamala Das. What is the name of the poem? My Mother at 66. Okay, thank you.